Understanding the phrase, couch potato, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and commonly used phrase in English, couch potato. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, and understanding it can add a bit of flair to your English speaking skills. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The term, couch potato, refers to a person who spends a lot of time sitting on a couch, or any comfortable seat, watching television, playing video games, or engaging in activities that require very little physical movement. This phrase paints a humorous image of someone who is perhaps a bit lazy, preferring the comfort of their couch over more active pursuits. Interestingly, the phrase, couch potato, first appeared in the 1970s. It combines couch, a piece of furniture often associated with relaxation and inactivity, with potato, suggesting a person's inactive, lump-like form while sitting for long periods. This humorous expression quickly gained popularity and is now widely used in English-speaking countries. Using couch potato in a sentence is easy and can add a light-hearted tone to your conversation. Here are some examples. Ever since he got the new gaming console, Mike has become a real couch potato. I plan to be a couch potato all weekend and binge watch my favorite series. Don't be such a couch potato. Let's go out for a hike. While couch potato is a playful term, it's important to understand its cultural context. It's often used in a friendly, teasing manner among friends or family. However, calling someone a couch potato can sometimes be seen as a gentle nudge or a light-hearted way of encouraging them to be more active. And that's our look at the phrase, couch potato. I hope this video has been both informative and entertaining, helping you add another fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning can be enjoyable, especially with phrases like these. Keep practicing, and don't be a couch potato with your English studies. See you in the next video.